I noticed the most rare thing is not polymath or geniuses or talented people. The thing that's most rare is people who are willing to take action. I meet so few people like that. I can count on one hand how many people I've met who are willing to take action. It's so rare. If you're not willing to take action in your life, then nothing will happen. It doesn't matter how smart you are, how talented you are. None of that matters unless you're willing to take action. And there's so few people who are willing to do it. And then when they take action, the first step, then they fail, then they give up. Like, you have to be willing to take action. You got to be willing to stick with it if you really believe in what you're trying to do. And that goes for cybersecurity, IT. It doesn't matter where you start. You can do it if you take action first. And then here's another thing. The outcome rarely is exactly what you think it is. In fact, it's never exactly what you think it is. I thought getting to 100K was something else, right? Now I'm here and it's not what I thought it was. And I imagine it's going to be the same thing if I hit 1 million. It's going to be totally different than what I thought when I get there. And that's normally the outcome. You can't control the outcomes, but you can control your behavior. You got to take action. So few people are willing to take action on anything. That's why there's so many people who are in the state that they're in. To me, that's the sad thing about humanity. People are not willing to take action. Take action. That's the first thing you got to do. Whatever you were trying to do in your life, take action. It doesn't even matter where you start from, as long as you take that first step forward.